This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can perform a camera gimbal calibration on this drone. So to start, switch on the drone, switch on the RC, make sure that they are paired, enter the Fly interface or Go Fly mode, or not mode, just Go Fly section of the DJI Fly app to be precise. While here, launch settings through tapping at those three dots, select the control category, scroll it down, and look for the gimbal calibration. Now tap on this option. You can switch between auto or manual calibration. I'll go with automatic. Just make sure that your aircraft is positioned on the level surface. And simply wait. At this point, that's all that you gotta do. As you can see, after about 15 to 20 seconds, the automatic gimbal calibration has been successfully completed. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye bye.